Hey guys, Kieran Jaworski here, and I'm doing a reaction video to my best friend's video, to Nate's Early Studios' video, William in the Heat. In case you want to know what it is, I'm doing a reaction video to Nate's Early Studios' video, my best friend's video to William in the Heat, one of the short videos to the Nightingale Railway. And I seen all of the episodes to the Nightingale Railway, and I think one of them is awesome. And I think Nate's Early Studios did a great job, and I'm sure William in the Heat will be awesome. So, let's start reaction to it in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, there's William. And wow,
it's 100 degrees out today.
Nate did a great job.
Goodness. Let's hope that there are no more trains today.
Oh, there's Mr. Turner.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hello, William. I'm sorry to bother you in this blistering heat, but there are some passengers who need to head to the beach. I need you to take your passengers from Wington Station to the beach.
Yes, sir.
Wow, that's an important job. Oh, there's Noah.
Goodness.
And it's been a while since I seen
Honestly,
the last video since
it feels nice on
one
my
of the
boiler.
engines helped Noah.
That's good
So
on you.
awesome.
But for me, I feel like my boiler's going to burn.
Don't worry, I have your coaches ready at platform 2.
Thanks, Noah.
You're welcome.
Get in quickly, please. Mr. Turner's expecting me to arrive on time.
I'm sure you're gonna do well, William.
Good glory. It's boiling.
Think of it like this. The sooner we reach the station, the sooner we'll reach the sheds.
Hurry, hurry, hurry! If I pick up traction, then I'll get to the station before I know it. Well, you're a problem-solving genius.
You always are, William. And you're doing well.
Steady, boy. There's plenty of time.
Don't worry, I know.
Meanwhile,
You know, it's quite nice out. A bit hot, but nice.
I wouldn't say that. The rails on the other track are buckled.
Oh dear, we should run Mr. Turner once. If an engine comes through then... William?
Hello, Nathan.
oh, and
Sorry,
the track is
can't
bent.
talk.
Stop, William, stop!
Will, look out, the rails ahead are buckled.
What? Oh no! Brakes now!
Sorry? Whoa!
I'm coming off! Oh!
William!
Ow!
Are you okay, William?
Yes, I just need you to fetch the crane quickly.
I would, but I have to get to Fensworth now.
Then go and see if there's anyone available to help me back on the rails.
Right!
How are we going to take the passengers to the beach without an engine?
No, Lance. I can still make it.
Are you sure?
Very much.
Oh, there's Kale with the breakdown train.
What happened, William?
I was trying to get my passengers to the beach on time. I was also trying to get my job done so I could get to the sheds quicker.
I don't blame you. It's really hot out.
Sir, I'm really sorry for what happened.
It's all right, William. I had no idea the rails were buckled. Thankfully, Nathan warned me before heading to Fensworth for his duty. These buckled rails will be mended first thing tomorrow.
Is William going to be okay, sir?
Luckily, he's only got very little damage. He will need some minor repairs.
Don't worry, William. I'll cover for you while you're gone.
No, Kale. I got it.
Are you sure?
As sure as I can be.
If you
Sir?
really want to
Yes,
keep
William?
going,
Before I
William,
go to the
then go
works,
ahead. I
can
know you
still
can
take
make
my
it.
passengers onto the beach, please?
Very well.
Almost there. Almost there. I'm here!
Wow, looks like William made it.
You know,
At least he could
old
do
engines
it,
can't pull
and
trains
he's
like
made
the
it.
new engines can.
They can if they're mended, old reliable. That's what's next for you on the list. You deserve it for being such a resourceful engine.
Wow, that is awesome. So, yeah, guys, that is my reaction to William in the Heat and Nate's Early Studios. You did an awesome job, best friend. You're an awesome friend. You did a great job. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give my videos a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.